Hey folks, welcome to another video of CSS. In this video we are going to see how you can create a transparent image. Now I have already created here the index file, that is our HTML file, and all our CSS file too. And I have also linked here our CSS file, that is index2.css. Now in this video we are going to use an image. That means we are going to need an image. So I have already downloaded here an image from Google, and you can choose any one of them. Now speaking of that, let's go to our HTML file. Now in this, what we're gonna do is, in this body section, let's write here h1, and then inside this we are going to write image transparency. Okay, now speaking ahead, let's link our image, or you can say img, and then the src tag, and then we are just going to give a location of our image, that is imgs.jpg. Now inside this we are just going to go ahead and let's just close this bracket and save our file. Now you can go and open it with live server to check if our program really runs. Yeah, it showed here that image transparency is in h1 tag, and our image is also looking pretty good. So let's just close this and let's see what is transparency or opacity in CSS. Now getting ahead, like in our CSS file, we are just going to give here our img tag, that is img, and then inside this we are going to write opacity, and the value should be like 0.5. Let's try this. Now again I'm going to save this file, open it with live server, and you can see like the file is pretty much transparent over it, like its opacity has been decreased by 0.5%. so this is how you can like use transparent image, or you can make them transparent in designing web pages. Now like going ahead, we can also do some pretty good things, like use the hover property to do this. Just write there, create another tag, and then you can write there hover, and then you have to space the opacity like to 1 and just save. Now whenever you hover around this image, it will show you the clear image. Now let's change the height and width of the image, like say width is equal to, let's say 300, and then speaking of height, let's make it to, I guess 250 sounds good. Save the file, and the image is pretty small. Now you can see whenever you hover around the web page, this image is like transparent. So that's all for this video guys. See you in the next video.